Hello everyone, this is Scrap Iron Studios, and in today's video we will be taking a look at the ERTL stationhouse accessory set. This set was originally released in 1999 and it clearly sold well since it was reused 4 times. Now as we look at the box, we can see that it is decorated with the classic blue, yellow and red that we all know and love. This set comes with the dry oil station house, 2 yellow signals, 2 red signals and 2 traffic lights. The station is very easy for a child to put together, and in my hands it really feels like a good quality toy. It's a real pity most Thomas toys don't get this love and care put into them today. So overall, if you see this set on eBay for a good price, I'd highly recommend you get it, as although the ERTL Thomas range is considered as the holy grail of Thomas merchandise, the sets are proven to be very rare, or at least to find some in acceptable condition. That being said, I am very happy to own this set and I will be giving it a 9.5 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video as it was quite fun to make. You've been watching Scrap Iron Studios and I will see you soon.